a Lamborghini hoverboard. Today I'm going to be unboxing it. And I got it for my 8th birthday. Come on, let's go. So, here we have it. I just opened the box. We have it to go. So we have the little booklet, how to do booklet, and they gave us like a not happy sign. I think these are the batteries. Yeah, these are the batteries for the Lamborghini. So this must be the quick part. Oh, okay. So I just take that there. Wow, this is heavy. This is so heavy. Whoa, I can't pick it up. This is an interruption, Dad. I needed help from my dad. This is so heavy. It's so cool. So I just noticed something that there's a logo at the wheel. Here's a close-up. The logo of the Lamborghini. I really wanted to get into the ride, but I have some important things to tell you. So, there's an app to control the Lamborghini, and that's very cool. You can control the speed and some other stuff too. And I wanted to show you the on button. So this is the on button. You press it, and then some lights come. So this is the last part of my video, guys. I'm gonna enjoy my Lamborghini ride.